Hey guys, and welcome back. What's going on? In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 for free from the Microsoft official website. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open Microsoft Edge. Then I'm going to open Google, and here you have to type Microsoft Developer Program. Okay, then the first link will be Microsoft official website. I'm gonna select that, and here already I have signed in my email address. Okay, so I'm gonna click on join now. Here I'm gonna select the second option, configurable sandbox. This options you can manage up to 25 users. Select country and enter the username. And the second, create a domain. All right, Globe webcast, and type the password. And here I'm gonna select country and type the mobile number. Then send a code and verify the code number which you have received. Then click on setup. Setting up your developer subscription now. Okay, this will take few seconds. Once it is done, and now here you can see this is my domain name. I'm going to sign in, and after this I'm gonna click on go to subscription, enter the password which we have created right now. Skip this option and click on this arrow. Now what we're going to do is, on the right hand side you can see install and more option. Click on that, and here you can see install Microsoft 365 apps. Click on that. Under the Office apps and devices, click on install Office, and now here you can see office setup.exe is download already. Okay, I'm gonna right click on this office setup, run as administrator. And as you can see, the Microsoft Office 365 is ready to download. So now the installation has been started. Please wait until the installation complete. This will take several minutes. Okay, so if you have a good internet connections, you can easily download it. Okay, after a couple of minutes the Office 365 is already installed. Okay, and now I'm going to click on close. All right, let me minimize this. Minimize. Okay, so let me open the start menu, and now here you can see on the start menu Word and Excel and Teams, everything is installed. So let me open the Word first. Click on the pop-up window, continue. And activate Office, and this is my full domain name, and enter the password again and click on sign in. Now you are all set. Click on done. Alright, so after this I'm gonna click on account and then accept the license agreement. Click on accept and click on close. Alright, so once it is done, I'm gonna click on file and go to the account. My profile is done. Okay, and now I'm gonna open start menu again, click Excel and click on file and go to account, and Excel also is working perfect. Okay,
And here you can see on the account user informations, you can manage your account. So I'm gonna click on manage account, and by default my domain name is selected. Click on that, and this is your account manageable portal. Okay, so you can change your password and device informations, security, everything is in the portal. Okay, so this is user change password and everything. Okay, and when you click on devices, you can see only one system using my account. Okay, so if you want, you can sign in with the other devices, automatically sync with the second devices. Okay, and dear all viewers, this is the way how to download Office 365. That's it for this demonstration. If you like this video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.